telling him a story. I'm going to tell that story. See?
Okay.
So anyways, Shea says to this fellow, he says, Anderson. He says, Anderson's griping like hell. He wants to get him out there. He says, why don't you get Bartlett down there to come down here, see? So he gets down to my boss and tells him to send me up there and run these machines. So I went up there, and I noticed the grind wheel commenced, see? And then when to let it go back, it's like a surge of oil going on, just like pounding with a hammer, see? And that pound with that, see? And I went down to get the inspection and said, you want to take a look at this?
Barber's tee shot at 15. Boy, that really good there. Oh, you know what happened there? He hit it a lot lower than he normally does, Jay, and that ball just bored right through the wind. Otherwise,